Hey everyone, this is Jay with Growth Inspire. I am back talking about credit hacks and what there's some things you can try when you're sending your credit repair disputes to the credit bureaus. So the things I'm mentioning, they have been used before. I used them before. Other people used them before. I even used them for a split test for 2 to 3 different clients, and they have been proven to work for me. So they may work out for you. So check this video out, and I'm going to drop some pretty nice tips and hit hacks you can try for yourself. So if you don't know already, the credit bureaus, they use a automated system which is normally called the e-Oscar system. What just say you sent a typed out credit repair dispute and you sent it to the credit bureau. They may not read them themselves. They use this e-Oscar system to practically read the text of these disputes or these letters, and then they automatically put it within the system. They then send these typed out like these disputes to the creditors, and then they just use an automated system to basically update, delete, or verify the accounts that you provided to them. But a lot of people don't know that you can bypass this OCR e-Oscar system if you know how to use these different kinds of hacks. So I'm going to talk about 3 different things you can try. First thing you can try is using colored cardstock paper. And the good thing about those is they are a little bit thicker than your regular sheet of paper or type computer paper, your office paper. And you can color stock, it can come in white or it comes in all these different vibrant colorful things. And you can find this at any local store like Walmart, Target, or practically any store that you choose. So I definitely use cardstock, and in my opinion, I feel like that worked for me, so it may work out for you. Another thing you can try is using scan proof paper. The thing about skin-proof paper is it comes out looking like a regular sheet of paper. It's about as thin as a regular sheet of paper, but if someone tries to scan it, it will have this basically this print that comes out of it as well. That's either void or not eligible for copy. So it's practically copy-proof paper that you can use with your regular printer, and it prints out just as fine. I used this before, and then it practically can mess up this e-Oscar system, and it may be able to get more human hands on this dispute that you're sending. The last thing you can even try is using a regular ink pen. It is very simplistic to use. You can practically use an ink pen when you are typing out your disputes. You can leave it out to where you can just fill in the blank for your name, your address, the date of birth, or your social. And it can be even used to even write out your whole credit repair dispute. Even you can write in the account name or the account number, and that may help you out, as the e-Oscar system is used to type format. You can just hand write it out, and it may or may not be able to recognize it. So that is another thing you can try. A lot of people don't know that, and they always ask how you can possibly bypass this. So definitely look into those 3 things. I definitely recommend it. So those are 3 things that you can try for yourself. And if you have any questions or anything like that, you can let me know. For subscribe, and comment your thoughts about this video. You can reach me at my email, support@growthinspire.info, and I hope you have a good day. See ya.